Hi everyone, I'm Annie. I'm the cultural attaché at the U.S. Embassy in Dushanbe.
And I'm Jonathan, also from the Public Affairs Department.
And we're here today with a special edition of English Through Cooking for the English Without Borders Network in Tajikistan. And that is because it is Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl is one of the biggest sporting events in the United States. It's the final game of the football season. And every year it's played between the two best teams in the league. More than a football game though, the Super Bowl is also a chance for Americans to come together. And there's several, of course, popular foods and snacks that go along with the Super Bowl. Jonathan, what are some of your favorites?
I think my favorite foods to eat during the Super Bowl are nachos and chili and chicken wings, of course.
Chicken wings. So today, we'd like to show you how to make American chicken wings. So Jonathan, what ingredients do we need to make chicken wings?
All right, so first, of course, we'll need the chicken wings, and then we'll need, for the spice rub, we're going to need flour, paprika, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic salt.
So the first thing that you'll do to prepare the chicken wings is to cut them, which I've already done here because that part is quite messy. Then we'll want to mix the ingredients for the rub. So let's go ahead and do that. For that, you can use a small bowl, you can use a plastic bag, sometimes that's easier for shaking.
All right, so we've got, good morning.
Oh, sorry.
Now, we want to make sure the chicken is nice and dry before adding the rub. And then we're going to melt some butter in the pan. We can do this while the oven is heating up.
All right, and once that's done, you're gonna put these beautiful chicken wings in the oven for about 30 minutes and then flip them over and then for another 15 minutes or until they're brown. Here are those chicken wings, all nice and brown and crispy.
Very nice. Very nice. All right, would you like to try one?
Sure, let's do
All right,
it.
let's do it.
All right.
See you next time for English Through Cooking.